Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where the CapCut application is not launching or opening on your Windows 11 computer. So it's a pretty straightforward one to fix. The first thing we need to do is just head over to our Start menu, search for CapCut, and then you need to right-click on the CapCut application and make sure to run this as administrator. Now, if this doesn't work for you, then the next thing we need to do is head over to our Start menu, search for Settings, and then come over to the Settings window. From the left-hand side, select Apps, come inside of Installed Apps, and then we need to find CapCut from this list. So you can either use the search box at the top here and just search for CapCut, or you can scroll down to find the CapCut app. And once we found the app inside of here, we need to come over to these three little dots, and you're going to go ahead and press Uninstall. And you'll get this message pop out asking if we're sure to uninstall, so just go ahead and press OK. And now what you need to do is go ahead and re-download CapCut. Now if you originally downloaded CapCut from a web browser, then I'd recommend coming over to the Start menu, searching for Microsoft Store, and then come inside of the Microsoft Store here. And at the top in this search box, just search for CapCut and hit enter. Click on the top search result, which should be CapCut. And then you just need to go ahead and click the install button from here. Now, if you originally downloaded CapCut from the Microsoft Store, then instead you'll need to head over to an internet browser. Come over to the official CapCut website and you'll just need to download the application by pressing this download button here. Then this will download an executable file which we just need to double click, and then you need to follow the steps on the screen to install CapCut to your computer. So once you've reinstalled the CapCut application, you'll need to head over to your Start menu and search for Windows Defender, and then come over to Windows Defender Firewall. From the left-hand side, select Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall, and then press this Change Settings button at the top here, and we need to scroll down this list to try and locate CapCut inside of here. Now, if you can't see the CapCut application inside of this list, then we simply need to select Allow another app at the bottom here, come over to Browse, and we need to locate the CapCut application. Now, if you're not sure where the CapCut application is saved, then we can simply head over to our desktop, and you need to right-click on the CapCut shortcut, select Open File Location, and then you'll find the CapCut.exe file. So we're just going to copy all of this data up here, come back over to our Settings menu, click on Allow another app, click back on Browse, and then we're just going to paste all of this URL at the top here and hit enter. Then double-click on CapCut.exe. Then as you can see, we've now got CapCut added to this list here. So just make sure both private and public are checked in here. And then press OK to save these changes. Now you can check to see if that's fixed the issue. Otherwise, the very last thing we can do is head back over to the Start menu. And inside of here, you need to search for Optional Features and then come over to the Optional Features settings. Now select this View Features button at the top here. And in this search box, we're just going to go ahead and search for Media Space Feature Pack. Now, nothing's going to show for me because I already have this pack installed, but if you don't have the Media Feature Pack installed on your computer, then you'll need to go ahead and install this now, and that'll be the reason why CapCut's not working for you. So once you've installed this Media Pack, once again we can try launching the CapCut application, and that should have now fixed any issues you were experiencing. If you're still experiencing problems, then please drop a comment below and I'll try my best to assist you. If this video did help you, then please drop a like and subscribe. Until next time.